Look at that one. Look, you'll like these.
It's a Jessie.
Give it to Brittany. Give it to Brittany. Give it to Brittany.
This is a. Slow down just a second.
Ones last.
Yeah, because those are Buzz and Woody down there. Bowling set. Wow. Give it to Brittany. Show it to me and give it to Brittany.
Can't we take it apart?
Brittany's taking them apart.
We're doing this on different terms.
We're trying to go fast.
You go, Parker.
Baby, I need to go faster than baby.
Well, it's hard for me to record everything.
That, and we also have...
My phone only holds so much.
Because everybody's sitting there at 12.
Whoa.
Wow, you got a Toy Story book.
I think we will stick to the plan. All right, Dad.
It's a Christmas Toy Story book.
Not it.
Yay!
There you go.
So you're the culprit?
There you go.
I knew it
Look.
was one of them, I just didn't know why.
Look here, Parker.
Why did you nail her head down? How did people that did this?
Uh-oh.
Mr. Potato Head.
We'll get him.
Oh no, he's in plastic.
Let's fix this.
He's so excited.
All right.
Whoa.
Take it out. There you go.
Uh-oh. Can you pick it up? Get his mouth. Up here.
Okay, Haley. They're falling out.
Oh, this is going to be a great game.
Mouth goes there.
All right,
Up here,
Dad.
up here, up here.
Okay, next.
It's right there.